Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by collecting precisely sized parts and setting up a stable work area. Machine the rotor blank to final diameter, then press-fit magnets with even spacing. This reduces vibration later. Mount precision bearings into the housing, making sure the shaft is fully supported and concentric. Once done, measure runout with calipers, anything over 0. 0.5 millimeters will cost you RPM and heat. Make sure to bench test bearing spin before moving to winding, so you don't chase alignment problems later. Now you wind the stator coils for high-speed operation. Use thicker copper for lower loss, but keep turns compact to limit inductance. Wind evenly per pole and add varnish or epoxy to lock coils and prevent vibration. Install a temperature sensor on the stator and route leads to the controller. Once coils cure, assemble the stator to the housing and carefully set the air gap to about 0. 2 to 0. 5 millimeters. A small gap increases flux without rubbing. Make sure commutation timing or controller settings match pole count before first spin. Finish by dynamically balancing the rotor at the RPM range you plan to run. Even tiny imbalances will destroy bearings at high speed, so add minimal correction weights and retest. Install a programmable electronic speed controller. Configure soft start ramp, current limits, and RPM cut to protect the system. When you first run it, stand clear and watch bearings and temperature. If you hear scraping or feel vibration, stop immediately. Check clearances. Tighten mounts and rebalance. Don't increase power until the issue is resolved.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.